How to use the Fusion tab in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and navigate to the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you work with nodes instead of layers, which is different from most video editors. Each node represents an effect, image, or operation. Next, you'll see the Media In node connected to Media Out by default, which represents your source clip and output. To start creating effects, add new nodes by right-clicking in the node area or using the toolbar above. For example, you can add a transform node to animate position or scale. After adding a node, connect it between Media In and Media Out by dragging the output of one node to the input of another. This builds a flowchart that controls how the image is processed. Then, use the inspector panel on the right to adjust properties for each node. Here you can tweak parameters like size, position, keyframe, animations, and more for smooth transitions. To create more complex effect, combine multiple nodes like blur, color corrector, or text nodes by linking them together. You can also use merge nodes to layer different elements and create composite shots. Lastly, preview your work in the viewer windows to see how the effect looks in real time. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Fusion tab in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.